Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract good luck, while others constantly face misfortune? Ponder over that for a moment. Imagine a world where you could control your own luck, dictate your own fortunes, and navigate your own destiny. A world where your thoughts and feelings have the power to shape your reality. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? What if I told you, you could be one of those lucky people? Intrigued? Let's dive into the law of attraction. The law of attraction isn't magic, it's a mindset. Now let's delve into this fascinating concept. Originating from the New Thought movement of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the law of attraction is a principle that posits that our thoughts, both positive and negative, have the power to shape our reality. It's like a magnet, pulling in what we focus our mental energy on. At its core, the law of attraction is about consciousness and energy. It's the understanding that everything in our universe vibrates at a certain frequency, including our thoughts. So when we align our thoughts with the frequency of what we desire, we attract it into our lives. Think of it as tuning a radio to a certain station to hear the music you love. Now, why is the law of attraction significant in personal development? It's because it empowers us to take control of our lives. Instead of feeling like victims of circumstance, we become the architects of our reality. We realize that our thoughts, feelings, and actions play a critical role in shaping our experiences. What's more, the law of attraction encourages us to maintain a positive mindset. It promotes optimism, gratitude, and a belief in our own potential. It teaches us to focus on opportunities rather than obstacles, and to see challenges as stepping stones towards our goals. But remember, the law of attraction is not about wishful thinking. It's not about sitting on a couch daydreaming about $1 million and expecting it to fall into your lap. It's about aligning your thoughts and actions with your goals. It's about believing in your potential, taking inspired action, and being receptive to opportunities. In essence, the law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. So, if you desire a life filled with joy, success, and abundance, start by focusing your thoughts on these things. Because as the saying goes, what you think, you become. So how does the law of attraction work, you ask? Let's delve into the mechanics of this fascinating principle. The law of attraction operates on a relatively simple concept, yet its execution and understanding require a deeper look into our minds and hearts. It's like a three-part recipe. First, we have our thoughts, then our emotions, and finally, our actions. Each of these elements play a vital role in manifesting our desires. Let's start with thoughts. Imagine your mind as a powerful magnet, attracting what it persistently thinks about. Our thoughts are not merely abstract or idle musings. They are real, tangible energies that interact with the universe around us. It's essential to understand that every thought we have, positive or negative, sends a signal to the universe, setting the law of attraction into motion. Moving on to emotions. Our emotions are the fuel that ignites the law of attraction. They amplify the energy of our thoughts, making them powerful enough to manifest into reality. It's not just about thinking of what you want, but also feeling as if you already have it. When you feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement, you are essentially creating a magnetic force that pulls your desires towards you. Finally, we have actions. Actions are the physical manifestations of our thoughts and emotions. They are the final piece of the puzzle that brings our desires into reality. When you act in alignment with your thoughts and emotions, you are effectively communicating with the universe, showing it that you are ready to receive your desire. So here's the magic formula. Thought plus emotion, followed by action, equals manifestation. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients in the right proportions, mixed and baked at the right temperature to get the perfect result. In essence, the law of attraction is about creating a harmonious dialogue between your mind, heart, and actions. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Remember, the universe is always listening. It's up to you to send the right signals. Your thoughts create your reality. By focusing on positive or negative thoughts, you can bring about positive or negative experiences. Now that we've understood the law of attraction, how do we apply it to our lives? We've discussed the law of attraction at length, but let's bring it home. Let's talk about how to really integrate this law into the everyday. First off, visualization. This is not simply daydreaming, it's about creating a mental picture of what you want to achieve. It's about seeing yourself in the situation you desire, feeling the emotions you would feel if you were there. For example, If you're aiming for a promotion, visualize yourself sitting at that bigger desk, handling those greater responsibilities, and feeling that sense of accomplishment. Next, affirmations. These are positive statements that help you overcome self-sabotaging negative thoughts. They help you visualize and believe in what you're affirming to yourself, making you more positive and focused. For instance, instead of saying, "I hope I get that job," say, "I am well qualified and I am the perfect fit for that job." Notice the shift in energy? Then the practice of gratitude. This is a powerful tool in the law of attraction. It's about appreciating what you already have, which in turn attracts more good things into your life. Start by making a list of things you're grateful for each day. It could be as simple as a sunny day or a warm cup of coffee. This practice helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life. And the more you focus on the good, the more good you attract. It's also important to remember that the law of attraction is not just about thinking or feeling positive. It's about taking positive action too. If you want that promotion, work towards it. If you want to be healthier, start making healthier choices. The universe responds to the energy you put out there, and that includes your actions. Lastly, be patient. Attracting what you want doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. Keep taking positive action. And remember, the law of attraction is working even when you're not seeing immediate results. Remember, it's not just about thinking positive, it's about feeling positive and taking positive action. So go out there, embrace the law of attraction, and start creating the life you've always dreamed of. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Well, let's dive right into it. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of the law of attraction, a principle that's as ancient as the hills yet as relevant as ever. Essentially, it's the idea that our thoughts, emotions, and actions have a profound influence on our reality. And it's not just some new age mumbo-jumbo. It's a concept backed by quantum physics and the way energy interacts in our universe. We've learned that the law of attraction works on the principle of like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out into the world, whether positive or negative, will attract similar energy back to you. So if you're radiating positivity, you'll attract positive experiences and vice versa. It's like a cosmic boomerang. We've also unraveled the mechanics behind this law. It's not enough to simply think positive thoughts. The law of attraction requires you to truly believe in and feel those thoughts. It's about aligning your mental, emotional, and physical state to resonate with what you desire. It's about visualizing your goals, feeling the emotions they would bring, and taking action towards them. Applying the law of attraction in everyday life isn't about sitting back and waiting for the universe to deliver your wishes on a silver platter. It's about fostering a positive mindset, setting clear intentions, and taking proactive steps towards your goals. It's about recognizing obstacles as opportunities for growth and understanding that every setback is a setup for an even greater comeback. And remember, the law of attraction isn't selective. It doesn't distinguish between big dreams and small ones. It simply responds to the energy you emit. So whether you're after a promotion at work, a healthier lifestyle, or a more fulfilling relationship, the law of attraction can be your ally. The law of attraction is a powerful tool. Harness it, and you can transform your life. It's not about controlling the world around you, but mastering your inner world. It's about becoming the architect of your own reality. So go ahead, tap into this incredible power, and see where it takes you. Unleash the power of the law of attraction in your life today. It's not just a mystical concept or a passing trend. It's a universal law, as real and unchanging as gravity. It's a tool that you can start using right now, a key to unlock a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. You've learned the basics, understood the mechanics, and discovered ways to apply it in your everyday life. Now it's time for action. Start by visualizing your desires, expressing gratitude, and maintaining a positive mindset. We invite you to embark on this journey and share your experiences. Did you notice any changes? Any surprises or revelations? We'd love to hear your thoughts, your questions, and your stories. Engage with us in the comments below. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. Start attracting positivity today.